Hello, now we are doing one more activity here to find the in center of a triangle. You know, in center there are one more center, in center, circumcenter, centroid, and one is other is orthocenter. So one is the in center. In center is a point in a triangle where all the angle bisectors means three angle bisectors. There are three angles, so all the three angle bisectors meet. That point is called in center. Very interesting thing is when we use this in center and try to draw a circle using a suitable radius, then this circle will be touching all the three sides inside, and it means all the three sides will become the tangent to the circle. See how we can find out by using the activity method. So let us first draw a triangle now. You can draw any type of triangle. It doesn't matter what kind of this. So let me mark with this pen. So all the 3 points, now we have a triangle now. Let us cut it out. The triangle has been cut now, and now we have to fold the triangle. So we have to make an angle bisectors. How to make an angle bisector? By using these corners and folding the both sides so that each side at the point, this point of the angle, you have to make this angle like this. See, we have to fold very neatly so that the both sides join near to the vertex. And let us draw this kind of triangle. See, both sides are touching now. This means we have done the equal parts of an angle. Okay. Now similarly we use this crease we are getting now. One more crease. See, in the inside there is a crease. Now again I am taking this one. One more है. Now third one I am folding again at the third vertex. So now we are getting the one more crease here. See, so now we have one more crease. Let me mark all these creases with the pen to show you. See, we am drawing a line here. I am drawing a line here. So two lines are going to intersect. That is not a big issue. Let us see what is the where the third line goes. See, this is the line I am drawing through the crease. See, all the three lines passing through the same point. So this point is become the in center. This point I is known as the in center. In center means meeting of angle bisectors in a triangle. Now, as I told you earlier, from this point we can draw a circle to all the three sides, and the three sides will act as a tangent. So you must be knowing this distance, the tangent or ray center make an angle of 90 degree. So let us see what is the angle of 90 degree from here. How to make an angle of 90 degree? We have to make an angle of 90 degree. This is the line. See, this line is going to be the perpendicular from here. So one line, this is a separate line, the red line. Using this mark, I am showing you this is the 90 degree angle. So this is the point where the circle will be touching this side. So this will become the radius now. Using this compass and taking this distance, I can draw a circle. You can see the circle is going to touch all the three sides. This is now, you can see the circle is touching here now all the three sides. So this is, that's why we call it in center. Thank you. You can try yourself. Thank you, beta.